Hi guys, I'm Sanvi
I'm Shireen.
And I'm Izza.
and we're trying different snacks that we found in
Hyderabad.
In snacks and all the spicy chatpata snacks, we wanna start with something sweet. So let's try this Sunfeast roast almond
Try
chocolate.
the chocolate. Give some. You take it first.
It's yummy.
Try it with us.
Okay,
let's try it.
Nutty.
Because it is almond chocolate.
Don't copy the word for the back.
Okay. It's crunchy. The perfect amount of sweetness is there. And look at the writing. Fantastic.
It's good. It's good.
There are a lot of almond chocolates in this whole wide world. So I'm rating this as 7 out of 10.
I'm making this a 6 because it's not more like sweet enough.
7.5.
Nice rating, guys. Let's go to another sweet.
Now, let's move on to the next snack, that is Kit Kat Pops. Let's see how it turns out.
So let's try this Kit Kat Pops. This is actually kind of weird because I have never seen this.
Like,
Looks
I
weird too.
ate Kit Kat chocolate, but never tried this.
It's like this inside. I can't show it properly. It's like nutties.
Oh.
Let's try. You first give it. Hear that crunch? So crunchy.
It's good.
It's good, but
I love this.
I kind of like this. And it is and because it is Kit Kat Pops, it tastes like Kit Kat.
Of course, bro.
It is Kit Kat. It's just indoors. Just think like that.
It was.
Cut that one.
Let's try another one. I like this a lot actually.
This is so amazing, guys.
I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10.
And I'm giving this 8.
8.5.
You're giving it a half to everything.
Because I can't do it evenly. It's like good sometimes, not good sometimes. So
Yeah. It's
Yeah.
like not bad, but
now let's move on to the next sweet item, which is Hershey's Choco Tubes. Let's open this. Let's see how it will be.
yeah, I'm kind of scared for this one because I have never tried Hershey's chocolate. I'm so sorry. I never
I
tried.
have eaten once or twice. Let's see.
How many times have you eaten?
I only 8 kisses.
Is it
Bro!
Oh! Don't think so. I don't know. I'm so scared to try this thing.
Akka, thank you. Thank you, my dear sis.
Welcome. Now let's also try this.
Should I help you?
No. I'm putting big. No.
It's kind of like a basic chocolate for me.
Yeah.
I kind of don't like this. Sorry, Hershey's, but I kind of don't like this.
No, it's not original Hershey's. Hershey's is better than this.
It's bad.
It's
Look inside.
It's not good. It's kinda not good. I'm giving it like a 4.5 out of 10.
A 5.
It's 3.
Oh my
God.
that low?
Let's move on to the
Again,
next
we are
item.
trying
Let's
flavor.
try another chip, that is 2 p.m. lemon mint stick.
Now let's try these 2 p.m. lemon mint sticks. I'm kinda curious because it says that it has made in Thai. Thailand, right? Yeah, Thailand.
Interesting.
From the photo, we can see that it is like a Chinese version of Kurkure.
Yeah.
People who know Kurkure like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, this is too hard to cut.
It's so
which is a good thing.
Carbon dioxide.
It's nitrogen.
Oh.
Okay. It kinda looks green.
I hope it does
These are like so long. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's
copy this one.
No, it's the copied version of Kurkure. Okay, let's try this snack. In 3, 2, 1. I'm in love with this.
Yeah.
So excellent.
I like this a lot for me.
Round of applause to this chips.
But there's too much flavor of lemon.
Yeah. They could just.
You like this? There's a bit of corn and no mint. I mean, there's like 2%, like 10% of mint, 20% of corn, and rest all of the flavor. I'm telling you, 60% all the rest of the chips flavor is literally lemon.
No wonder it's so lemon.
I love this.
I'm in love with this.
Shout out to this chips.
I'm kind of obsessed with this chip.
Now I'm gonna eat it every day.
Yeah,
Like
me too.
every week at least.
Yeah. I rate this a 10 out of 10.
You guys need to try this. It's a 10.
Obviously 10.
After all the sweets that we tried, I want to try something spicy. So let's try this Fun Flips Ghost Puffs. Let's see how it tastes. Now let's try this Ghost Puffs.
Looks
You want-
crazy.
Yeah. It looks kind of spicy in the packaging. Let's try. You don't like it. It's an okay for me, but at the last you get the spiciness.
And the very bitterness.
Bitterness?
Yeah, it has like a tint of bitterness.
It has a tint of sourness. It's okay, so I'll give it a 6 out of 10.
I'll give it a 5.
I give it a little 0. A
Oh my
little
gosh.
0.
Yeah, you kind of hate it.
I hate it.
This is kind of okay.
But
So
after
the
it-
people who can tolerate spice, I think they might love these ghost puffs. But the people who cannot even tolerate spice,
They are not Indians.
they are not made for this. I'm so sorry. These
So
are
sorry,
too
guys.
spicy.
So sorry, friends.
This is spicy, but I love spice.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's try the next one.
Now we are tired of eating chatpata snacks, so we saved best for last. Smoky popping candy from Bonfire. We are going to try it. Looks weird. Keep it up. Yeah. It's like this.
Is it open right now?
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
open.
Yeah.
Let's poke the stick into that. Is it something? Bro, I thought smoke was about to come out of this, but there's no smoke. Then
Bro,
why
we
did it say smoky popping candy, whatever it is?
It meant smoke will come out of your mouth popping.
So
Okay.
let's try it. Now let's try this Bonfire smoky popping candy.
I think this is for people who want to become, like who want to,
Oh gosh.
who want
Did
to.
this fall all over my shirt? Let's do it without the straw. Oh my gosh. The color is so beautiful, you guys. I love this color. It's like mint. It's like mint color. Let's try this. I'm gonna give some for you. I'm gonna give more. I'm scared to try this, guys. Let's try a little.
Shout out how my haircut looks.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. It's kind of sour because it's green apple. It's good.
Where's the
But-
smoke?
Let's try it again. Is it coming out?
This is a scam, guys. Don't buy it, I think. Oh, we are doing it wrong. Let's see.
Just because no smoke.
I have an idea. I think we have to take it. We have to suck from it and then we have to blow it outside the straw.
Yeah.
It's popping.
Yeah, it's popping in my mouth.
But it has to be smoky too.
They scam this, guys.
Or maybe they just didn't have.
I thought that after seeing this, I got so excited to try it. I thought that it's going to be really good, but it was not.
It's good in
She was
taste.
forcing me to buy that.
Yeah,
I was like, no, bro, we should not smoke. We should not smoke. I was like that, bro.
and I was like, please, let's buy this, please. And it turned out to be really bad.
These both girls are
So-
just shopping. They be like, Akka, let's get this. No. To Shireen. Shireen is saying to Sanvi, Akka, let's get this. Akka, let's get that.
But no, she was our opposite, bro.
Both of you, let's get this.
Yeah, so now I rate this 5 out of 10. I'm very disappointed.
I rate this 2.5 because
We do. Actually, I'm gonna change my score. I'm gonna give it 2.5.
I don't like this.
1.
It's obvious.
It's kind of sour at the last.
Actually,
yeah.
it got points because of the taste of it.
Yeah,
Or else it would become like
a
undone.
0.
Yeah. So guys, rate what snacks that you liked and tell it to us in the comments, and like, share and subscribe. Bye.